The cordless pole, saw compatible with Dewalt 20V Max batteries, is designed for users who need a convenient and powerful solution for trimming branches and maintaining trees without the hassle of gas-powered tools or complicated cords. Right away, the biggest advantage is cordless operation combined with compatibility with a widely used 20V battery system, which makes it easy for existing users of that platform to integrate it into their tool collection. One of the main strengths of this pole saw is its ability to provide high-reach cutting capability. Instead of using ladders or risky climbing methods, users can safely trim branches from the ground. This adds an important layer of safety, especially when dealing with tall trees, overgrown yards, or hard-to-reach limbs. Being able to extend reach while maintaining control makes yard maintenance significantly easier and more efficient. Cordless power is another major benefit. Without the restriction of cords, users can move freely around the yard, garden, or outdoor work area. This flexibility allows for faster work and better maneuverability, especially in areas where power outlets are not available. It also reduces setup time, making it more convenient for quick trimming tasks or larger maintenance jobs. Compatibility with Dewalt 20V Max batteries is a strong advantage for users who already own tools in that ecosystem. It allows battery sharing between multiple tools, reducing the need for extra chargers or separate power systems. This not only saves money, but also improves overall efficiency for users who rely on multiple cordless tools for home or professional work. The pole saw design is focused on practicality and usability. It is built to handle regular trimming tasks such as cutting branches, shaping trees, and maintaining outdoor spaces. This makes it useful for homeowners, gardeners, and anyone responsible for yard maintenance. Instead of hiring services for small trimming jobs, users can handle them directly with this tool. Another important benefit is reduced physical strain compared to manual saws or ladder-based cutting. Working from the ground with an extended tool helps minimize fatigue and reduces the risk of accidents. This makes it a more accessible option for users of different experience levels. The cordless pole saw also offers better portability compared to traditional gas-powered models. There is no need for fuel mixing, engine maintenance, or heavy equipment handling. This simplifies ownership and makes the tool easier to store, transport, and maintain over time. Overall, the cordless pole saw compatible with Dewalt 20V Max stands out as one of the best high-reach trimming solutions for users who want safety, convenience, and cordless efficiency. With its extended reach, battery compatibility, and easy operation, it delivers a practical and powerful way to maintain trees and outdoor spaces with less effort and more control.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.